13 billion years is the age of our universe. We were luckily born in an era of rampant star growth. We are observing the universe's first steps. But unfortunately, it will likely never be this way again. The universe is slowly dying. It is called the heat death. As the universe expands, matter spreads out. The raw materials for stars get exhausted. Once the universe starts its clock, it doesn't stop, and it waits. Over trillions of years, the lights will go out. The stars we see tonight will burn their fuel. They will explode or fade, and new stars will cease to form. We will be faced with the intense reality of a cold, dark death. But some objects will hold on. The candidates for eternity. First, the black holes. These stubborn balls of infinite density. They will be the last standing celestial objects. But even they are not immortal. Stephen Hawking proved they decay through a process called Hawking radiation. Particles popping in and out of existence at the event horizon. One falls in, one escapes, stealing a tiny fraction of the black hole's mass. It happens so slowly, it is unnoticeable for trillions of years. But eventually, they will evaporate, leaving nothing behind but radiation. The timescale for this is a Google years. That is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. At this point, galaxies have dissipated. But there is one final object, the black dwarf, the corpse of a star like our sun, a ball of gas that has turned into almost solid iron. These guys are the final product of a fully exhausted star, and they will last longer than anything else. Theoretical physics suggests they will exist for 10 to the power of 32,000 years. That is 32,000 zeros. Imagine that number. You can't. Once everything else in the universe has disappeared, the universe will be single-handedly vacated by these black dwarfs, separated by unbelievable distances of nothing. Whispering, cold, baseless, almost pointless stars. They will float through the rest of existence, the final stand of our universe, the remnants of what we once had. But eventually, even they will die. Because nothing escapes entropy. After an almost infinite amount of time, these poor celestial statements will go supernova, the last fireworks in a vast wasteland, giving hope to a potential new beginning. But as the universe has always done, it will wait, and it will watch. It will watch as the final black dwarf explodes, and opens the path to true eternity. Because from the beginning of time, the universe has waited. It waited for the first stars. It waited for the first planet. It waited for your bus stop. It waited for your life. And it will wait for all the stars to die. It has waited all the same, and as the last black dwarf explodes, the universe can now rest, because now it has reached its ultimate contribution. So it smiles,